My dear friends, today we are going to talk under our Youth and Truth series of discussions. Today we are going to talk about a very important, very alarming scenario which is now the country is going through. It is basically called the phenomenon of suicide. Why somebody commits suicide? Why? What you must have noticed that after Sushant Singh Rajput committed suicide, taking a cue from that, many youngsters also committed suicide. Every day we find somebody commits suicide. Some important person gives her his or her life. So actually, it's a very sad, it's a blur in our social image how the suicide as a tendency among the youngster has to be stopped. Why somebody will have a self-harm? So the debate on suicide has really started, and it is not only confined to just to a film star or to a youngster who failed in the exam. We have seen that suicide has become a growing tendency among all age groups. So here we are here to talk about how best we can face this kind of situation. My dear friends, as all of you know, suicide is a extreme end a person takes when his level of depression is very high. If he is very depressed and he doesn't have a control over his emotions, or he has a schizophrenic tendencies, then he can commit such thing. But nobody, lot of people have a lot of depressed moments. And if they come out from that depressed moments, they always fall into the trap of this phenomenon called suicide. A suicide is a very horrible, very dehumanizing act of anybody. Actually, somebody who commits suicide, he doesn't know what kind of feelings or what kind of negativity he leaves in the society, and for his family members, for his friends, for the society at large. So, my only suggestion here is that anybody who is depressed because he is not successful in life, or maybe he is ill-treated by somebody, or he could not qualify in any exam, or he doesn't get the things he desired. If such things happen, remember one thing: suicide is never the solution. You try to come out of the situation. You try to come out of the situation, and you try to face the situation. There could be very worst moments, but you always remember the night can never be night. It has to be followed by day. So sunshine has to come. So my dear friends, my thing is that whenever you have a suicidal tendencies because of anything, any depressed or any adverse moments, try to control yourself. Your controlling over your emotion is important, and this you can do by, if you are very young, you have no idea how it is. Always remember that you always divert your attention to something else. Like if you have a suicidal tendencies, always look at the positivity of things of life. Always try to be engaged in something, like some games, some kind of competition. Try to be engaged so that the feeling doesn't overshadow your own persona. That is important. And always the teachers, the peer groups, everybody will advise you, don't do. But remember, a young man is not in a position to take the step. My only thing to all the young people, that if you have any kind of failure, take this as a challenge and convert this challenge to an opportunity. Everybody has failed in life. Nobody is perfect in this world. Everybody has tried and they have come out. And once you overcome that kind of thing, then only you will be successful. So suicide is never the cause. You will end your life, but everybody will be unhappy. What is the use of it? That you are a coward. You could not face the situation. So do you want to die like a coward? You will die as a person who will be erased in the sands of time just because he is a coward fellow. He could not do anything in life. He ended his life because of some frustrations. No. If you want to prove yourself, delete negativity, adopt all positive vibes. I hope I have given a little indication that you can be brave, you can smile, you can come out of the situation. Thank you.